There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? So y'all already know what time it is. It's the best of 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 the best. My first wigs, say less. And girl, look, this came already pre-plucked, pre-thin, pre-everything, pre-approved, baby. Do it like it should be day, okay? Now they got some new type of caps that I'm going to be showing you guys. This one right here is one of the new caps. And look at that elastic band, removable and definitely adjustable, okay? While I go ahead and clean my hairline off, I'm going to talk about these new wig caps that My First Wigs has came through with. They're 3D fitted lace wig caps. So now they have these new fitted glueless caps, which actually will match and form to your forehead a lot better. Basically, it will mold to your head. So this is going to be the new 3D fitted cap versus the old cap. Now this one here is the old cap. And as you can see, the edges are a little bit more square versus the new 3D cap, which has more curved edges, which will give you a more natural hairline and basically fit. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate and show you the difference between the two as wearing them. Now, as you see with the older cap, it is more squared, and it also the lace doesn't stay down as on the new cap. These are both great caps, but when My First Wigs does it over, they definitely do it over. So you will be seeing new caps in your units.
Just because you're my day one doesn't mean you're the right one. I had to keep my options open. For you to come to your senses. Been on it since we was kids. You taught me how to French kiss. Now you so cold with your business, but you still don't know what love is. Love is more than feelings, it's choices. Why we so indecisive? All these years later, still the same. Running, open cycle, but before it closes, I want you to want me, ask me to be more in your life.
So let's go ahead and put this wig on, y'all. I am super excited because y'all already know how I feel about My First Wigs. Do y'all see those hairlines? Do y'all see those edges? You do not need any baby hairs with any of their units, okay? These units are Swiss tinted, natural, pre-plucked, pre-thinned, pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-approved, pre-everything, girl, okay? This is their Yaki texture hair, and she is in inches of 20. Now, this is a 13x6, and this is one of the newer caps. I had the luck of actually trying out one of their new caps a few weeks back in one of their curly units. And girl, when I tell you that curly unit is bomb as hell, that curly unit is bomb as hell. Now, this Yaki one, too, is just as beautiful. I love a good Yaki texture hair. And let's just be for real. There are not a lot of wig websites that offer Yaki texture ready-to-go stock units. So when you check out My First Wigs, if you haven't already, you will definitely be amazed at all the nice units they have available for beginners to those who are experts at putting on lace wigs. And these you can put in without any glue or hairspray. Now, as you see, I do like to use my styling foam, and that's only just to make my hairs lay down in the direction that I want them to. This styling foam is not going to adhere the unit. It is not going to stick it onto my skin, okay? But I do like my hairline to just be formed more natural versus like blunt straight across. So I do use my hair mousse just to sculpt it. And now, girl, listen, I am not the best with doing nobody's middle part, but we're gonna try. Because the middle part was a little bit off, and I'm trying my best to get it properly straight. But did y'all even know that My First Wigs got a Black Friday sale coming up? Girl, listen, you better get in where you fit in, honey, because they got loads of unit. And when I tell you they will have you hooked to the gods, doing this like it's your B-day every day and your new wigs to slay, they will definitely have you hooked. Very good quality units. I've been rocking with them for the past 17 years, and girl, let me tell you, I ain't never looked back. RPG Show and Myfirstwigs are sister companies, and when I tell you they have the best of the best of the best of the best of the best, they got the best of the best of the best. Listen, you ain't got to take my word for it, but you can check out all their reviews on YouTube, and then you can go from there. But if you have not purchased a Myfirstwigs unit, girl, Black Friday is around the corner. You better save up them coins and get you one. It's always nice to treat yourselves, okay? Now I did go ahead and use some wax stick just to go ahead and tame my edges. And that's what I did right here. And that's why I'm hot combing it. Now, if you need some good wax stick, you can also purchase some of your hair tools right from Myfirstwigs. One-stop shopping, baby. They got everything but the kitchen sink and groceries, okay? And who don't love a good Yaki texture? I know I do. I love Yaki textures. I love loose and curly hair too. So I decided I was going to go ahead and wear this one straight because you know me, I would normally put some curls in it. And if you're afraid that this is not going to hold a curl, it's definitely going to hold a curl. This is not my first rodeo with any Myfirstwigs unit. Now, as for that new cap, can I tell y'all that it fits so snug and so comfortable? I like the fact that they always are revamping, evolving, and just trying to improve. You know what I'm saying? Myfirstwigs has been around for quite some time. Quality wigs for affordable prices, and as long as you know how to take care of a wig and do your due diligence in taking care of it, it will last you for a very long time. Now, I'm one who's very particular about what my scalp color looks like, so I went ahead and used some of my foundation stick just to make sure that the scalp looks more like my scalp. Now, I will use one brush to apply the concealer, as you guys did see in the beginning or just right now. And then what I'll do is I'll take this brush right here and follow through, just making sure that I smudged it in properly, and then use a wet cloth to wipe away any excess foundation that may have been on the hair. I don't like it to look too blunt and too pale, like too much makeup. I don't want to bring too much attention. So that's the reason why I kind of dull my parting down. But look at this hairline, girl. What? Is this cute or what? Listen, let me tell y'all something. Make sure you go and check out Myfirstwigs for their Swiss tinted new 3D fitted caps, baby. And check this one out. This is their Yaki, 130% density, 13x6, and she is 20 inches. Now look at this. I told you she was glueless. And all that mousse is used for is just to hold my hair down in place and more or less sculpt it the way I want it. But I told you, you don't even need to use no hairspray or no glue. And baby, when I tell you you don't have to do either one, it's so time-saving. And I love anything time-saving. Like the after look on it. And you know, I'm not a middle part person, but this middle part looked definitely good on me. Do y'all see that hairline? Look at them edges and hairline. Where is you getting that at? You ain't gotta take my word for it, but I promise you, if you buy one of their units, you'll definitely be happy. Girl, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box for you. You let me know what y'all think about it. Don't miss out on that freaking Black Friday sale, girl. They always got some good stuff. You can also check out their clearance app or their clearance website. Girl, they got you covered in all type of wigs, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like born to slay. You know there's always gonna come a happy dance in this wig because I love when I get a good wig and I ain't gotta do much. I love you guys. I will leave all the information below. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, share it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.